Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and I'm doing another record which is 33 1/3, and this time I'm going to be using red, white and black. And I just have a little bit of red done up, so I thought what I might do is just see about kissing these in and see how that turns out. Who knows? We'll soon find out. If it's no good, I can put some black and white on the top, which I think I will anyway, because that looks pretty red. Right, let's see how we go. Looks like Batman, doesn't it? So the recipes for these paints in the pouring medium is, I'll just do this, is below the video under Show More. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. And, oh, where'd you go? This is very different as well. I'm in the throes of making clocks. And that's what this is, the base for one. To run around a bit more here, stretching out a bit too much to paint, so put in some black and white into this red, give it a bit of a burst and put a bit more on. See how we go. There's no use being stingy, it doesn't pay out in the end. Okay, so right, that'll be pretty. Okay, yes, I was right, you see. Very nice. So I'll just give it a wipe off and then a bit of a torch. Did I scare you? My little dog, Winston, is here. He was just having a sleep. He got the cloth and he jumped. Okay, torch. Noisy. Let's just put this here, stop that blowing up on my painting. It smudges it when it does that. Right, so under Show More is everything I just told you about. So please feel free to click on any of those things and take a little look. There's also a link there to Priscilla Betzel's Amazon. You're more than welcome to go and have a look and see what that lady's up to. Please give this one the thumbs up. That's something I do appreciate. I think most painters appreciate that. Helps with the algorithms for YouTube. This one's very pretty. Okay. Yes. So if you've enjoyed this, I hope you have, and you've already subscribed, you'll be able to come back and see the next one. That'll be good. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.